Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxinescorner. So this is my very own matcha powder, guys. You can get this at Maxinescorner.com. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. It has 100 grams. You see it right here. On the back, I also give you a few recipes to try. This has 10 times the amount of antioxidants than regular green tea bag. Not only that, but it also helps you with healthy hair, it fights acne, it boosts your metabolism, it helps lower your cholesterol, it detoxifies the body, helps you lose weight, boosts your immunity. Oh my God, what else can I say? Dehydrate your skin, and also anti-aging. So there's so many healthy reasons why you should include matcha powder in your everyday living. Let me start to make this deliciousness, okay? So here we have our matcha powder. My serving size says 1/2 teaspoon. It may be a little strong for those of you who are not used to it. So what I'm gonna use is 1/4 teaspoon, okay? Measure it out. So I have 1/4 teaspoon right here, and I'm just gonna add it in there like that. I'm going to add some ice, and it doesn't matter, you can add any amount of ice that you want. So I'm just gonna add some ice to this. Okay, that should be good enough. First drink, of course, is a latte, and then I'm just gonna add my milk. So this is an iced latte, simple and easy to make. Once you've done that, I'm just gonna cover this up, and I'm using almond milk, and this is a sweetened almond milk. So you can use any kind of plant-based milk that you choose to do. That's perfectly fine as well, okay? And I'm just gonna give it a nice little shaking, shake it, not stirred. And then you just shake it together like this. Now you can add more, so you just want to mix everything together. Just make sure it's well combined. There you have it, your delicious iced latte, simple and easy. Okay, if you wanted to, you can add more matcha. Let me just give this a taste. This is the perfect amount of matcha. Tastes really good. And to top this off, you can add, what you can do also is, I'm going to show you a little trick. All right, I have some PB powder here, and I'm just going to add that to this, just like that. Turn this into a deliciousness. Mix it all together, and you just turn this into a delicious drink. See that? This is what it looks like. Absolutely delicious and yummy. I'm gonna take this, and I have some apple juice here. And you can use any juice that you choose to make this with. Doesn't matter. All right. I'm going to add some ice. Woo! Did you see that? Look at that. Nice, right? I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to take it. I'm going to shake it all up. Make sure you close the top. Right? Some matcha green tea juice. Any juice you want to, you mix it to it. There you have it, my healthy friends. We have here the matcha iced latte. If you wanted a hot latte, you would warm your milk and it will be hot, a hot latte. And here we have a matcha juice latte. Simple and easy. You can make this and put it in the refrigerator to make this hot. You just have to use hot water, a splash of lemon juice. These recipes are simple and easy, and it's not a lot. Your health is important, guys. Head on over to Maxinescorner.com, where you can order your very own matcha green tea. That's it, my healthy people. That's the simple recipes I have for you. If you enjoy this video, go ahead and give it a what? Big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay with me. Stay healthy.